Wanted to give you a quick video tutorial of how to set up your basic MLA formatting in your document. So here we are at, I'm in Office 365 in my Word application. So the first thing I do is always change the document title to whatever I'm working on. So let's say you're working on Essay 1. Change the document title so it's easy to locate. And then I'm just going to go in a step-by-step process order. The first thing I'm going to do is insert my page number. So I'm going to go Insert. And let me go back to home really quick and show you. There are a couple ways that you can look at your toolbar in Office 365. You can display it as the simplified ribbon or you can show it as the classic ribbon. I'm using the classic ribbon option, but like I said, you can use the simplified ribbon. It's just all in your preference. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert, and then under the Insert tab, I'm going to insert my page numbers. I'm going to locate the page number that puts the page number in the header in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to click on this option, and then of course I'm going to add student's last name goes here, so your last name will go here. And then before I toggle out of the header, I want to go ahead and highlight this whole selection. I'm going to use the Control A option to highlight the entire text. And then I'm going to go back to the Home tab, and I'm going to change that font to Times New Roman 12-point font so that it's consistent with the rest of my document. So once I'm finished with that, I'm going to go into click on the grade area, which is the main part of my document. So now that I'm in the new section of my document, I'm going to change it to Times New Roman again, 12-point font. And then the next step in the process is changing my line spacing. In order to do that, I'm going to go to the paragraph menu. So in paragraph, I'm going to click on the down arrow, and under spacing, I'm going to change that to 0, 0, double, and then click on the don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. Click OK there, so my document is double spaced. And then I have to add the first 4 lines of information to the very first page. Keep in mind that the first 4 lines, they don't go in the header of the document, they actually just go on the first page of the document. So this will be your name, and then my name, Mrs. Staten, the class, whichever class you're taking, English 1101 or 1102, and then you're going to put the due date next. Now remember, the formatting of the due date is very specific with MLA, so let's just assume the due date's this Friday, so we're going to do the 21st of January 2022, and then we're going to hit enter one more time. The next thing that we put is a title. Every document that you turn in should have a title, or every essay or writing assignment should have a title. You're going to center that title, so do center alignment, and again, that's up in the paragraph section. And you can make your title generic or very specific. In this case, I'm going to just say Essay 1, that's going to be the title, and make that generic. So after I hit enter, I'm going to go back to alignment and left align, and then I'm going to use the tab key to begin my essay. Now that's the basic setup of MLA format. We'll get into how to do a works cited page and how to do your in-text citations and specific block quotes and all of that later on in the semester. But for right now, we're good to go with just this, and if you have any questions about your basic setup of MLA, please let me know. Thank you.